Hello guys, today we are going to unbox this new Casio AE-1200 WH. So let's get started. We have a watch. We have some tags with the model number and the price, and we have some tags. 10 years of battery life. This means timer, and this means water resistance. This is a 100-meter water resistance watch, and this means all time, and this is a LED. We have some manuals, manual books, how to do this and that. And we have a warranty card for the watch. And also we have the warranty card. You have to fill up the forms. I haven't done it. And also you have the extra extended warranty. If you want extra 6 months warranty, you need to scan the QR code, and you can go through online and register your product. That's it. This is soft cushion padding for the watch. Okay, let's see it. Well, to my appearance, the watch is pretty nice. I love this style, the thin bezels, square. It's kind of like square hexagonal type style. Okay, so we have a wall clock, and we have a like analog clock, something like, which has in a digital type. You can see this is the second arm, hour arm and a minute arm. And we have the digital time, date, day. Okay, this one is for the wall clock. You can change the time zones. You can set 4 time zones. Number 1, time number 2, time number 3, and time number 4. Okay. So basically I have just set time number 1, because I don't need the rest of it. But there are few people who travel around the world all the time, so they don't have to change the time again and again. They can just set the time. Okay, let's see. The straps are pretty good, but it's quite small. My hands are big, large, and the straps are pretty small. And also the hooks are made of plastics. It's not strong and durable. Features of the watch. We have the alarm mode. We have the timer mode. And we have the stopwatch mode. So to change the time, you need to press this button unless or when this blinks. So we can change with this. Here's the region. You can change the region anywhere you like with this button and this button. Okay. So mine is set to India, and for the next, it's for the time. You can change with these 2 buttons. Above, below, anything you like. And another minutes. If you want your watch in a 12-hour format or a 24-hour format, I have set to my 12 hours. If you change it to 24 hours, this will be the time. Okay, so you will know it. This is the year, you can change it. This is the month, which month. Again, these 2 buttons. And this is for the date, again same thing. So how long will your LED will be lit depends on this settings. If you want your lights LED to be lit for a longer time, you can do it for 3 seconds. If you want a shorter period, you can just go for 1 minute. It's up on you. So this is how it is.